I say, I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. I'm feeling all this, she already know this. She want a bad man to come and video this. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder me, eh, 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 eh. You a murder, 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 murder me. You a murder, 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 murder me. She says she want murder.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a wing review, you guys. So this wing I'm going to be reviewing for today's video is from Freedom Hair. So you guys, what actually attracted me to this hair is the color. Like the color is so bomb. And at first I was kind of scared to try out this color, and you guys, you just have to dab. And yeah, I love this color. It's kind of a three-tone color, so just like as you're seeing on the screen right here. And yeah, you guys, I love this hair so much. And you guys, this hair is so affordable. This is a synthetic wing, as you can see right here, and it's so affordable, you guys. And the lace part is the T-part wing, and the middle pattern is so long. And this wing also come in three adjustable comb, like you can use to attach the wing to your hair for extra security purposes, you guys. So it also come with an adjustable stripes, and the length of this hair is 30 inch, you guys. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out the lace while I install the hair. Okay, so as you can see, the middle pattern is very long, like it's very deep, which I absolutely love, you guys. And right now I already applied my foundation to my stocking cap, and now I'm just putting on my wing. So the hair, it does come with this little baby hair, but I'm not going to be creating any baby hair for today. Like, I think this is actually the first time I'm going to be rocking a wing without creating a baby hair. So I just want to know how it's going to look on me. And for the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and flatten the wing. So this is how it's looking like right now, but I did not love the way it is right now. So I'm just going to go ahead and try to fix it. Okay, so taking my Got2b free spray, I'm just going to use it to lay my wing. Like, if you don't want to lay the whole lace, it's still very okay. That is, maybe you don't want to pack your hair back. Like, I always love to put my hair in a bun or in a ponytail, or just take it back. That is what I'm going to be laying the lace, you guys. And to also make the lace the wing look more flat. Okay, so I'm just using my hair dryer to just kind of blow dry the free spray a little bit before placing my wig on it, just as I'm doing right now. So now that I'm done laying the wing, I'm just taking my hair scarf to tie down my hair. So taking my hairbrush, I'm just going to brush my hair and make sure everything is just nice and smooth for you guys. So now that I'm done brushing my hair, I went off camera to do my makeup, and I came back looking like a real life doll. Oh my god. Can you see my eyes? Like, The contact lens I'm putting on right now is from Just for Kira, so I'm just going to leave everything on the description for you guys to check them out, okay? So this is how the wing is currently looking like. I'm not still satisfied with the pattern, so I'm just going to take my contour powder and apply that on the pattern area just to make everything, you know, look natural and more realistic, you guys. So can you spot the difference right now? So you can see there's a huge difference right now. So if you're watching this video to this very point, you want to make sure you subscribe to my channel, comment and like this video. Like, let me know if you will be rocking this colored wing, you guys. I want to know on the comment section, okay? So I'm currently loving my hair right now. Like, I love the way everything sits on my hair and my makeup is popping, and yeah, you guys, I love it. So taking this my hair mousse, I'm going to apply a little quantity of this on my hair just to get rid of the flyer waste, you guys. I'm going to be applying a little of this my olive oil as well. So now taking my hairbrush again, I'm gonna brush my hair and make sure everything is just nice and smooth right now, you guys. So here we've come to the end of this video. So if you love this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like, share, comment on what you think about this hair and what you want to see next. And the next time I will see you, always stay beautiful and bye for now.